Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix door lock on Ford F150, full guide. Start by gathering the right tools and clearing a safe workspace. Remove the negative battery cable immediately to prevent electrical issues. Keep fasteners organized by panel and step. Inspect the door panel clips and screws for damage. Take photos of each step to guide reassembly and avoid misplacing small parts or connectors. Begin diagnosis by testing the lock with the key fob, interior switch, and manual lock to pinpoint the issue. Listen for any motor noise inside the door to see if the actuator is powered. Inspect wiring and connectors for corrosion or broken pins near the latch. Wiggle connectors while testing to identify intermittent faults, and note any stiff or burned smells that indicate electrical failure. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing hands-on fixes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty. They outlast most projects and make crawling under trucks less miserable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a pair if you want cozy feet while you wrench. Now let's get back to the video. With the panel off, detach the actuator and inspect the latch linkage for bent rods or detached clips. Replace the actuator if motor noise is absent or if wiring shows heat damage. Use dielectric grease on connectors and secure OEM-style clips to prevent future failure. Reattach the regulator and panel, then test lock function repeatedly from both fob and interior switch to confirm consistent operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.